All right, it's time for our annual sweet potato harvest. And this season, it's a little bit different than last year. Why is that?
Well, for starters, we're a lot more tired than last year. And mostly that has to do with this little guy we welcomed into our family. We've put in the crops for right now. He's taking an outside nap right now. But this is Theo.
This is Theo, our son, who is about just 2.5 weeks old. So we're going to see what we have for our sweet potatoes this year. So let's get into it. Haley's gonna do the first digging.
I'm gonna try. Here we go.
Oh, let's see one.
First one.
Not bad.
That pretty purple color. Little scrawny guy. The roots are going all through. I just don't know if we need to dig really deep or if they're just dead ends. Oh, look.
Oh, wow.
Can't even get it. Yeah. And this last year they were in more like dirt, but this is like clay. Hi.
Yeah, it's pretty hard clay.
Yeah.
But the sweet potatoes help kind of break up the clay, so it's actually not only a good food source, but like a good soil improver for hard clay sites. Oh, it's coming. Does this
like,
remind you of something?
yeah, like labor all over again. Come on, big head. All right, here we go. Pretty.
That's good. It's a thick one.
Yeah, you can see the skin kind of came out. So these are like those Japanese sweet potatoes that are white inside, I think.
Those are one of our favorites.
Here's another one.
Oh.
This is going to be a labor of love this year. There's 2 of them. 3 of them.
Oh my gosh, triplets.
I'm glad that didn't happen to us.
Is Theo doing okay? Just a little Theo check. There he is. He's still alive and warm.
Little dude. Oh man.
That's all right.
Should leave these in because they're clues to where the other ones are. Yeah, I just got this odd shaped one kind of broke in half. And I'm already tired, so I'm going to switch the leaf for the camera.
Small one right here. All this stuff is good for like chop and drop mulching too. Oh, here's the one. Nice cluster here. Looks like a butt.
Yeah, it does.
Wow.
Weird. And butt and something else.
Yeah. Oh, this is a big one. Wow.
Oh my gosh. That's like
Oh my
last year's
gosh.
harvest.
Yeah. I've never seen a Japanese one this big.
Next to the head, please. Very nice. Probably as big or bigger than Theo's head, actually.
Yeah. Check this out. Can feel another one here. It's a good size.
Proper potato size.
Get some of that footage.
Such a cutie.
Got white ones.
White ones.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Oh, yeah.
So satisfying.
Wow, the soil looks really good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Not bad.
Mm-mm. Dig around a little more. I bet there's one more at least. Oop.
Oh, there's one. And another one.
too.
Wow. That one kind of snapped. Some clay.
I was like,
Wow. It's a good spot. Oh, there's one.
my favorite crop of all. So cute.
This is our biggest one so far. And do a little size comparison.
It's pretty hilarious. Well, there's some good potatoes.
Whoa. Whoa.
Interesting. Diplomatic relations. Nice one.
That's a really good one. Cluster alert, cluster alert. Whoop. Nice.
Deeper, deeper.
I don't know if they're going to be down there. Looks like a conch.
Mm-hmm.
So I think we've dug up this one row. Here's the box. And as we go down, much more. All right, we just finished harvesting what we think is all of the sweet potatoes for this year. Theo's ready to go inside. We'll show you the harvest right now. Check this out.
Thanks for watching.